Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off the power to the USB ports when the computer is turned off. As you can see, I have a USB LED strip connected, and when I turn off the computer it works all the time. My motherboard is ASRock B450M Steel Legend. If you have the same motherboard or a similar, I'll show you how to fix it. We need enter to the BIOS and the Advanced tab. The next step, select Deep Sleep, and we have three options here: disable S4 and S5 and only S5. Probably most of you tried these settings and selected only the S5 option and it still didn't work. You must select S4 and S5 option here to make it work. So take a look. I chose S4 and S5, then save the change, F10 button. Windows is running. Okay, I turn off my computer and just a second. It works. The LED strips have turned off. If you like this video, thank you for watching.